Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you all good. Let's go to our lesson and let's look on our PowerPoint. Of course, we are talking about graphical representation and bar graph because it's going to be our lesson for the next week. Remember on the last video, we were talking about the favorite day of the week as our graph. And here again, I just want to do a quick review for you. This is our bar graph, and this side represents our vertical axis. This one represents our horizontal axis. Here we wrote number of students, and this part we wrote days of the week. These bars represent the number of the students. So it's the value which represent the number of the students who love مثلا Sunday, Monday, Tuesday to the end of the days. And the question were about to reflect your learning. So it asks you to write or draw 3 things you noticed about the graph. And in the last video, we said that we have a lot of information. We can write more than 3 sentences to describe the data or the information from the graph. But let's remember what we wrote before. Friday is the most favorite day of the week. Why I said so? Because if you go directly to the graph, you will notice that Friday have the greatest bar or rectangular shape, which is represent here from 0, and then you have to count up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it represents 10 students who like Friday the most. Okay. The next one, Sunday equal to Saturday. We mean equal by the number of the students. So we refer to the number of students by the equal sign. Here, as you can see, the bar here that represents Sunday is equal to 5 students. The same on Saturday, I have 5 students. So the relation is equal. Another information is Tuesday is greater than Thursday. Going back to the graph, here I have Tuesday. When counting, I have the first rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 students. And Tuesday I have 1, 2, 3, only 3 students. So obviously Tuesday is going to be greater than Thursday. The last sentence is Wednesday is the least favorite day of the week. And why we said so? Because we only have 1 student who love Wednesday as their favorite day, and we only draw or colored 1 rectangle or 1 unit or 1 student. Now, I would like to go to page number 3. Now read the question with me and understand the question before solving. Use the favorite day of the week graphs to answer the question. Here I have the graph, and here I have the question. This step, if you remember from our first and second video, represents the fourth step, which refers to the interpreting data or the analysis of the data. So here I have questions asking about the information from the graph, and I have to answer them. Okay. Read the first question with me. How many students like Tuesday best? How many students like Tuesday best? Of course, I'll go to my graph and I will go to Tuesday, and then I will count the number of the students. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many students? I have 4 students who like Tuesday best. So I will write here 4. The second question is, how many students like Friday best? How many students like Friday best? So I will go again to my graph. I will put my hand on Friday and I will count the numbers of the students. So from 0 up to the end of the graph, or the bar. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 students who likes Friday best. For the second part of the question, I have here days, as you can see, from 1 to 5, I have days, and the circles between the days, I'm gonna put the relation according to the value or the amount of the students who like, for example, Tuesday or Friday. So let's do the first one. I have here Tuesday and Friday. And if you look up, we already did Tuesday and Friday. So Tuesday represent 4 students, so I will write 4 up here. And for Friday, I will write 10. Now, I have to determine what is the relation between these two values. I have 4 and 10. Which is the least, 4 or 10? Of course, 4 is the least number, so I will use the less than sign. So when I'm reading the sentence, I will say 4 is less than 10. So the number of students who love Friday is less than the number of students who love Friday. Okay. For Monday, I will go to my graph and will put my finger on Monday, and I will count starting from 0 to 1, 2, and that's it. That's the end of the bar. So I only have 2. So I will write here above Monday 2. The second day is Friday. Do I need to go to the graph? You can go to the graph, but you already got the number of the value of Friday, which is 10 here and there. So for me, I'll do it 10 directly without going back. And now I have to decide what is the relation. Here I have number 2 and here I have number 10. Which is the least, 2 or 10? Of course, 2 is the least. So I will write the relation less than. So when reading the sentence, I will read as the following. 2 is less than 10. Or the number of students who like Monday is less than the number of students who like Friday. So moving to the next one, Tuesday. I already got 4 for Tuesday, so I will write it directly here. So I will write 4 for Tuesday. Thursday, I will go to my graph and go to Thursday. Here's Thursday. I will put my finger and then I will count from 0 up to 1, 2, 3. Now that's it. I will stop here because that's the end of the bar. So again, it's equal to what? Yes, sure, it's equal to 3. Now we need to look at the relation between the numbers. Here I have 4, and here I have 3. And of course, you all know, and I hear you now that you are saying that 4 is greater than 3. So I will put the greater than sign. So when reading the sentence, I will say that 4 is greater than 3. 4 is greater than 3. The next one is Sunday and Wednesday. Let's do Sunday first. Here I have Sunday. I have to start from 0 and count the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for Sunday, I have 5 students. The next is Wednesday. I will go for Wednesday. Oh, it's an easy one. I only have 1 student, so I will write down here 1. Again, it's so obvious that 5 is greater than 1, so I'm going to use which relation? Yes, I will use the greater than relation. So when reading the sentence, I will say 5 is greater than 1. Or the students who like Sunday is greater than the number of the students who like Wednesday. The last one is Saturday and Sunday. Let's see this one. Here I have the Sunday. I already got it from number 4 that Sunday is equal to 5. For Saturday, I need to count starting from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I have the same value for these 2 days. So what is the relation we have to put in the circle when we have two what? So I will say 2 equal numbers. So my sign is going to be equal because they have the same value. And that was our lesson for today, and hope you enjoyed, and bye.